Hi, it's Lynn, and welcome to 2024, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a smoothie recipe. 2023 was a very interesting year. Lots of ups and lots of significant downs. And one of the things that I saw and realized as we got to the end of the year is I wanted to really hone in even more on nutrition. And of course, at the beginning of the year, there's always the motivation sometimes to do something new. So I wanted to hone in on being a better steward, right? So being a better steward of my health. If you've been here, you already kind of know the journey where I lost and regrew my hair. It's still here. So as we kick off the year, I'm going to do a series of smoothie recipes, so you can expect those on a regular basis. I would love to hear what your favorite smoothie combos are. There's a lot of talk. I think I've seen some buzz around, should we eat our vegetables and fruits versus drinking them in smoothies and vice versa? I think obviously to each his own. I'm actually going to do both. Smoothies are a great way to get a lot of nutrition in a small package. And so that's what we're going to do today. Okay, so I'm going to use some cashew milk. I actually made this at home with 1 cup of soaked cashews and 3 cups of water in the blender. Then I added a little bit of water to this to give me a little bit more liquid base. Now I'm adding in a Honey Crisp apples, and apples are great because they are a really good source of fiber and quercetin. And according to the NIH, the National Institute of Health, quercetin helps stimulate hair growth. So now I'm adding cauliflower. You really can't taste it. Cauliflower fights inflammation. It also has quercetin in it, and it may decrease risk for heart disease. I'm going to throw in some fresh ginger. Of course, ginger is anti-inflammatory. Then I'm going to add some plant-based coconut yogurt. This one has 8 grams of fiber, so it is a really good source of fiber. Doesn't have a strong coconut taste. I'm adding some chia seeds, which are also a good source of omega-3s and fiber. These super greens are amazing, y'all. They energize, clean, alkalize, and they have probiotics, superfoods, and no sugar. I'll link in the description box. In the description box. Then I'm adding the collagen and peptides. This collagen actually has protein and collagen powder. So you'll see there's 20 grams of collagen and 18 grams of protein. So this is a really great source of protein that can support hair loss and regrowth. And of course, some cinnamon. Cinnamon is an anti-inflammatory spice. It's a great spice to help fight inflammation. And so we're just going to let this blend for a while. I did add some ice in here, and I also added a slice of lemon. And there you have it. Smooth, creamy, green, delicious. It's good. So definitely taste the apple. No collagen aftertaste. I don't know if you ever had collagen before. Sometimes there's an aftertaste, but I don't taste the aftertaste in this particular brand, even though I used 4 tablespoons. It's not like this. The texture that I made it's not as thick, but this is good. Quick, easy, packed with fiber, protein. Enjoy and nourish your crown. That's good.